What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into OmeTV on a laptop. Now, I'm going to go ahead and head over to OmeTV. So I type in ome.tv and you will see where it will pop up and ask you to sign in. Now, what happened is that you can choose if you want to log in with Facebook or Google or continue with VKID. I'm going to choose Google as an example right here. Select an email address right here and continue with signing in. Now, in case you're not seeing it like that through the process that I did, I'm gonna just open up incognito window right here and simple type in ome.tv as well. So you can see what it will look like. And as you see right here again, it pops up, it gives you the option to sign in. There are times it will ask you to select your date of birth and your gender, for example. So you'll be able to just quickly do that so that you can access your profile or create a profile or log in with a profile. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys.